Hello students. Students, I have come up with chapter number 6 of SST, and the name of the chapter is Indian dresses. So in this chapter, we will study about why do people wear different types of dresses and popular dresses worn by Indian men and women. Okay, so let's start the chapter. We wear clothes to cover ourselves and protect our body from extreme weather conditions. हम कपड़े क्यों पहनते हैं? अपने आप को कवर करने के लिए और अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए वेदर कंडीशंस से. ओके, द काइंड्स ऑफ ड्रेसेस पीपल वेयर डिपेंड्स ऑन द सीजन. ऑफ कोर्स द काइंड ऑफ ड्रेसेस which people wear depends upon the season. Just like we live in the northern part of India, so in summers we wear cotton clothes and in winters we wear woolen clothes. Okay, so yes, of course it depends on the seasons. Beta, as you know that India has a rich tradition of clothing and ethnic wear. Ethnic clothing is just one of the things that distinguish one part of India from the other. The traditional Indian attire has earned admirers from people from all over the world, and this type of clothing is quite labor intensive as well. As you know that every state in India is geographically different from the other. So this has given rise to varied kind of dresses and styles. So that what we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so the first topic is men's dresses. Okay, the clothes worn by Indian men vary from state to state. Of course it vary from state to state. That men living in cities and towns usually wear trousers and shirts. Men who are living in cities and towns, they like wearing trousers and shirts. So jeans are very popular among the young generation. The boys and girls of the young generation, they prefer wearing jeans. Okay, some other clothes popular with men are dhoti kurta. Some other clothes which are popular with Indian men are dhoti kurta, kurta pajama and lungi and shirt. See, some of the pictures are given over here. Okay, so first is shirt and trouser. In the second picture, a man is standing and he is wearing dhoti kurta, and the third one is kurta pajama, and the fourth is a mundu. Okay, so now what is a mundu? Beta, mundu is a garment consisting of a rectangular cloth that is wrapped around the waist and worn by men in Kerala. It can be turned into a half skirt type of a thing as well. And now veshti. Now what is a veshti? It is similar to mundu, also very much similar to mundu, but not exactly the same, but it is similar to mundu. Also it is, it is worn like a sarong. Okay, and there is a difference between a dhoti and the veshti is that the former means the dhoti is looped between the legs, and the latter means the veshti is always worn like a sarong. Okay, so in some states traditional dresses are still worn. In some states, people still prefer wearing the traditional dresses. For example, chudidar and jacket in Gujarat, people like wearing chudidar and jacket in Gujarat, and achkan or angarkha with colorful turban is popular in Rajasthan. And what is angarkha? Basically, it is a type of shirt, or we can say it kurta, but it is designed differently with a different neckline. Okay, so caps and turbans are a part of Indian men's headgear, and caps and turbans are also very popular among the men of India. अब बेटा headgear कैसे कहते हैं? Headgear, something worn on the head as a cover or protection for fashion or a religious purpose. मतलब कोई भी चीज़ जो सर पे पहनी जाती है अपने सर को कवर करने के लिए या मतलब प्रोटेक्शन के पर्पस से, या इट कैन बी रिलेटेड टू फैशन और इट कैन बी रिलेटेड टू सम रिलीजियस पर्पस एज वेल. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ हेडगियर. सो द स्टाइल ऑफ टाइंग अ टर्बन वेरीज वाइडली फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. तो जो टर्बन बांधने का जो स्टाइल है वो हर जगह का अलग अलग होता है. लुक एट द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ हेडगियर्स शोन इन द पिक्चर्स. देखिए अलग अलग यहाँ पर हेडगियर्स दिखाए गए हैं शोन इन द पिक्चर्स. सी, दिस इज महाराष्ट्र and the men, he is wearing गांधी टोपी, गांधी कैप पहने हुए हैं, and this is हिमाचल प्रदेश और ये पहाड़ी टोपी पहने हुए हैं, and then this is पंजाब, he is tying a turban, and this is Rajasthan, he is wearing a very colorful turban. Okay, so now women dresses. The women in our country wear very colorful clothes. हमारे इंडिया की जो women हैं वो बहुत ही colorful clothes पहनती हैं. साड़ी is the most common dress all over the country, और साड़ी जो है वो सबसे common dress है all over the country. Now women living in different states wear sari in different ways. इंडिया के अलग अलग पार्ट्स की जो women हैं they wear saris in different styles, because sari is one Indian dress that enjoys worldwide popularity. Okay, so now let's move on to the next page, and yes, now the other popular dresses of women are shalwar kameez and dupatta in Punjab. You know, the women of Punjab, they love wearing shalwar kameez and dupatta, and ghagra kurta with orni in Haryana, and ghagra kachli in Rajasthan. So these are and yes, here it is given lehenga choli in Gujarat again. Now long woolen kurta called firan in Kashmir. लॉन्ग वुलन कुर्ता होता है जिसको फिरन बोलते हैं. द विमेन इन कश्मीर दे वेयर दैट. ओके, लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स विद ब्लाउज इन साउथ इंडिया. लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स होती हैं ब्लाउज, विमेन वेयर लॉन्ग स्कर्ट्स विद ब्लाउज इन साउथ इंडिया. अ लॉन्ग स्कर्ट कॉल्ड बाकू इन सिक्किम, और इन द विमेन इन सिक्किम दे वेयर अ लॉन्ग स्कर्ट विच इज कॉल्ड एज बाकू. ओके, सो सी the shalwar kameez, the firan, the lehenga choli and the baku. Okay, here the photographs are given. So nowadays girls in cities wear western dresses like jeans, trousers, shirts and t-shirts, you know, but beta in these days the boys and girls of the young generation, they like wearing different types of dresses. So nowadays girls in cities wear western dresses like jeans and trousers and shirts and t-shirts on special occasions such as wedding. मगर जो स्पेशल ओकेजन्स होती हैं जैसे किसी की शादी होती है, कोई फेस्टिवल एंड पार्टीज, पीपल वेयर फॉर्मल ड्रेसेस. मगर इसमें लोग जो हैं वो फॉर्मल ड्रेसेस को पहनना पसंद करते हैं. बेसिकली दो तरह की कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड होती हैं हमारी ड्रेसेस. ऐसे एक कैजुअल वेयर होता है और एक फॉर्मल वेयर होता है. तो ऐसे ओकेजन्स पे लोग जो है वो फॉर्मल ड्रेसेस पहनना पसंद करते हैं. और फॉर्मल ड्रेसेस में क्या चीज़ें आती हैं, जैसे शेरवानी एंड सूट्स एंड साड़ीज़ एंड शलवार कुर्ता एंड लहंगा एट्सेट्रा. एंड वुमेन वेयर गोल्ड, डायमंड एंड सिल्वर ज्वेलरी टू अडॉर्न देमसेल्व्स. एंड द वुमेन ऑफ इंडिया, दे लाइक वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी एज वेल. The jewelry can be of the gold or the silver or the diamond, and it can be artificial jewelry as well to adorn themselves, to make themselves more beautiful. Okay, so here the states and the region are given with their dresses. Just like first is Andhra Pradesh. So in Andhra Pradesh, you know, the dress is dhoti shirt, trouser shirt, sari blouse and pavadai. A pavadai, what is a pavadai? Pavadai is also known as two-piece sari or half sari. You know, it is worn by young girls. Usually the garment is woven with cotton or silk, and it is a traditional dress in South India. Much like North Indian lehenga, the half sari features a long skirt that is pulled tight at the waist, and a contrast colored one which is about 2 or 2.5 meters of fabric is then tucked in the waistband and wrapped over the choli. So basically this is pavadai. Okay, so then comes Arunachal Pradesh, then shawls and lungis and wraps and skirts and tribal costumes. Then comes Assam. Assam, dhoti kurta and mikhala chadar and riha. Now what is a mikhala chadar? Okay, beta, mikhala is a round fit and is used waist downwards over a petticoat, and the chadar is the top portion is chadar. Okay, so it is a type of sari again comprising two pieces of cloth draped on the top and the bottom. Okay, and the mikhala is folded into the pleats to the right around the waist and is tucked in. Okay, so then come Bihar, dhoti kurta and trousers, shirt, sari blouse. Then comes Chhattisgarh, dhoti kurta and sari blouse, and Goa, lungi shirt, sari blouse and trouser and shirt. Then come Gujarat, dhoti kurta, jacket, churidar, sari blouse, and then Haryana comes dhoti, pajama kurta, ghagra kurta and orni. And Himachal Pradesh, it is chola and dazu and embroidered cap. Okay, then come Jharkhand, dhoti kurta, sari blouse. Then come Karnataka, then shirt, dhoti, peta, kupsa and pavadai again. And then Kerala, mundu and mundu blouse. And then Madhya Pradesh, dhoti kurta, sari blouse. So these are the different these are the different states and the regions, and these are the dresses of different states and regions given over here. Okay, so we have just studied about the description of many of the dresses in this chapter. Okay, just like shalwar kameez and dupatta is very famous among the women in Punjab, and just ghagra kurta with orni in Haryana, right? So beta, each and every dress is covered in this in this chart, which is worn by the men and women of that particular state or the region. Okay, so many of them I have explained it to you. I have explained you the Mikhala Chadar, I have explained you the Mundu, I have explained you the Veshti. Yes, and yes, in Himachal Pradesh, beta chola, chola is worn. And what is a chola? It is a shirt type of top for the upper part of the body. It is a shirt type of top which is which the people wear at the upper part of the body. So in Odisha, what people wear dhoti kurta and sari and blouse, and then Punjab pajama kurta and shalwar kameez, and Rajasthan churidar kurta, achkan or angarkha and ghagra kachli, and Sikkim is a baku. And what is a baku? Okay, what is a baku? Baku is a long skirt worn by women in Sikkim. Again, then come Tamil Nadu, veshti or lungi, shirt and pavadai, I have explained it to you. Then Telangana, what the people like to wear, dhoti shirt and trouser shirt and sari blouse and pavadai again. Then Tripura, dhoti kurta and sari blouse, and then Uttarakhand, trouser shirt and sari blouse, and Uttar Pradesh, trouser shirt, dhoti or pajama kurta and ghagra choli with ohrni. Okay, and West Bengal, yes, dhoti kurta and sari and blouse. So these are the different dresses which are worn by the people of different states. So as I told you in the previous chapter that India is famous for its diversity. See the diversity of dresses which are given over here. So in this India, our country, India is a very beautiful country with a lot of diversity, the diversity in culture, its tradition, its dresses, its cuisines and clothing, just the language, a lot of diversity is seen in our country. I think it is the only country with so much of diversity, around the world. It is the only country in the whole world which has got such a diverse culture. So okay beta, the chapter is finished. I hope you people have just you people have understand the chapter which I have explained it to you right now. There are the keywords. This is headgear. I have told you that caps or turbans worn to cover head, and the second is baku, a long skirt worn by women in Sikkim. Okay, so beta, this is the chapter is finished over here. I have explained the full chapter. Okay, if you have any problem then you can ask me. Okay beta, bye for now, take care.